Everybody can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I assume that everybody is enrolled for the training SailPoint IdentityIQ. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me introduce myself first. This is Hussein Shah Sayed. I am a senior engineer in SailPoint itself with experience of 6 years in SailPoint and 7 years in DevOps. So overall, 11 years of experience. Currently, I'm a SailPoint senior engineer. I delivered so many corporate trainings and also institute type of trainings. I'm also along with the software engineer, along with the professional trainer as well. Especially my trainings involves in SailPoint, more into SailPoint, and also DevOps as well. So this is a very brief introduction about me, and I'm also a SailPoint ambassador. Let me know before starting the session. Now, anybody having questions? So, if anybody does not have any questions, I will start with discussing our what we are going to discuss in the sessions. That is table of content, and the first session how our SailPoint look like. Everything will be delivered. So, is there anybody already working in SailPoint, or everyone is a fresher with SailPoint?
I'm almost new to SailPoint.
Okay. How about Paul? Is it Paul only? Just now spoke. Hafiz and this iPhone person?
Yeah, new to iPhone. New to SailPoint.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then. So before the starting introduction, I will just yeah, we'll do one thing. We'll keep table of contact at the end of the sessions. What we are going to discuss. Uh, Let us take with what I can say introduction about SailPoint Identity IQ. So SailPoint is there is no technical definition for SailPoint. It's a organization name. So it provides the software products. So in that, majorly IAM products, identity access management products, and one of them is the Identity IQ. And Identity IQ is on-premise one, and there is a cloud product also, that is Identity Security Cloud, or a Identity Now, whatever you can call it. So out of the two products, one is cloud, another one is the on-premise one. So we are discussing on-premise one product. That product is called as a Identity IQ. And so we know the definition, what is identity. So let me tell you what is identity. Imagine we are all going to the college. So each student can be considered as a identity. Why each student can be considered as an identity? Because you have an identity card. Without identity card, you cannot enter into the college premise. So watchman will stop at the gate itself. If you do not have an identity card, you are not allowed to enter inside the college premise. So identity card is the proof that you are the student of that college. So that's what every student is an identity. Now imagine an organization have so many employees, and so many employees accessing what the employees are doing. Employees are doing in an organization, they are fulfilling their job. Or someone may be DevOps engineer, someone may be cloud engineer, someone may be support engineer, whatever it may be. So they are fulfilling their jobs. So while fulfilling your jobs, you need to access some computing services and some applications. You need to access some computing services and applications. So that is a property of organization. So any individual cannot access that one. If you want to access some servers of the organization or some XYZ applications of the organization, you should validate your identity actually. So you can validate your identity in an organization at the campus by showing your identity card. But what about your identity accessing your applications, your organization applications, and or your organization servers? That's the question you need to raise. So the question you need to ask is, so when I am entering organization campus, so I'm allowing inside the campus of the organization by showing your identity card. If you don't wear identity card, you are not allowed inside that. In a similar way, what is the identity to access the organization application? That's the question you need to ask. So who is going to provide identity in the sense? This is the product. SailPoint Identity IQ is giving some identity to you. It's like as part of an analogy, it's an ID card SailPoint generating to you, to every employee. So that's the first question. So SailPoint IQ is generating identity to you. How it is going to generate identity to you? What is the schema behind that? What is the working functionalities you need to do to generate the identity? And then how SailPoint is going to allow you to access the application? Every question. So these are all questions. The answers will be you will get the answers to take training in SailPoint IdentityIQ. That's why the question is why identity matters. I hope everyone understand why identity matters. And now, on the broader sense, if you frame one technical word for this, that is called as a identity access management. So you have an identity. Once you have an identity, go and access the organization applications. Once you accessed, identity is access the applications, and someone should be there to management. That's it. That's a very simple definition. So you are a SailPoint engineer. So SailPoint engineer is the secondary. You are the identity access management engineer. You are a IAM engineer actually. So after finishing these sessions, so you will come to know how identity access management engineer will do the functionalities, all these things. I hope everybody understand why identity matters. So let me know, do you have any questions on that? It's clear, right? It is clear, right? Why identity matters, okay?
Yeah. You can hear me, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So after understanding identity access management, now we'll dive deeply. That's it. In a simple way, nothing more than that. The best example is college analogy or your organization campus analogy, wearing identity card. That's it. And then inside, there is a deep technical analysis how it is going to achieve with the software product that is called as an identity. So to understand that, so again we need to discuss the identity problem. So why this question comes in your mind? Because so obviously why identity is required means there are so many employees in the organization and then so many applications and visibility is very less. To whom visibility is very less? For the higher authority. For a higher authority, the visibility is less. Who is accessing the application? How many users are there? How many users are there? Okay. So at organization level, let us say someone, let's say Paul is the owner of the some XYZ software company. Now, Paul in a XYZ Paul software company, some 1,000 employees are there, and he has some 100 applications. It is all his property. Paul don't know how many people are accessing these 100 applications. Actually, how many employees having this job title, how many employees having this from this region, India, Europe, or whatever it may be. He needs some clarity. If you do not have that clarity, that is useless, right? That is a very bad administration. How many employees are there and employees from which region they belongs to? And what are the applications they are accessing in my organization? That applications are my property. You should have administration, right? Everything management. You should have clarity. You should have a grip on your, because that is your company. Now imagine if you do not have a grip on that, if you do not have anything, why all at the end, why you are doing everything means because everything is involved in the financial transactions. It involves money. It involves confidential information. Confidential information is one thing. Another thing is money. Lot of financial transactions will happen along the applications, along the clients and everything. It's earning money. So that's why you need a grip and command on your employees and you need reports. That's why it is called as a to overcome little visibility to a auditing. Here we don't call it as a organization owner. There will be a auditing team will be there. So that auditing team needs clear visibility of employees and what are they accessing. So that's the simple problem organization is facing. So to overcome that problem, they introduced the product called Identity Access Management. Identity Access Management product. And that product may be a vendor, may be anybody. It may be a SailPoint, it may be a Savient, it may be a Zilla, it may be a Okta, it may be a Microsoft Entra, whatever it may be. Vendor can be anybody. But out of all the vendors currently, the top two vendors are SailPoint is the first vendor and the second vendor is the Savient. So the leading IAM leader in the market is it's a SailPoint. I hope everybody understand why organization is having the problem of identity. So once you understand, we can move to the identity. What is IAM? Even a little bit technically rather than analogy. We can move the very technicality of identity access management. So at the sentence level, identity access management looks, there is no confusion to put on a paper or to explain somebody. Now, there is one statement, a technical statement of IAM. As you are an engineer, you should know that statement. That shows you are very inclined towards the technicality. So what is the definition of IAM is a right person can have a right access at the right time. All spellings of right is RIGHT, not WRITE. It's RIGHT. A right person can have a right access at the right time. I can reframe this. A correct person can have a correct access at the correct time. You can say like that also. So what does it mean? A right person. A right person means you should be an employee of that organization. Either you are a permanent employee or a contractor, whatever it may be. Right person in the sense, you should be a employee of that organization. That is called as a right person. Some hacker will be there. He can be considered as he is not a right person. He is a vulnerability entering inside your organization. He is not a correct person. So only the validation of your right person is you are an employee of that organization. That's called as a right person. Right person can have a right access. What does it mean, right access? A organization can have imagine 3 applications. One is development application, one is DevOps application, one is operation application. Now imagine you are an operations engineer. If you are an operation engineer, why do you need DevOps engineer access? Why do you need development access? You need only operation engineer application access. That's it. You don't need DevOps and development access because you are an operational engineer. Why do you need that one? That is called as a right access. You are an operational engineer, you should access only operational engineer applications only. That is called as a right access. And then right time. Time also very important. Imagine you are a terminated. If you are a terminated employee, even though you are a terminated, you are accessing the application. It means it is not a right time. So time is very important. You are on leave. If you are on leave, I don't want to give access to you. You are on leave. Why do you need application access? It is a Saturday and Sunday. Why do I give application access to you? I don't give it to you as an organization company owner. As you are employee, I don't give to employees access on non-working hours. Why? Because outside of the non-working working hours, it can be a threat to me. I don't give access. Some information loss. I may think like that. So for a high security, that's how I imagine. I don't give access out of working hours. That is called as a right time. So that is a very technical definition of IAM. A right person can have a right access at the right time. So how do you achieve these things? Means by doing the authentication, authorization, and account management. So by involving these 3 things, you can achieve that definition. So once you log in, that is called authentication. Once authentication done, authentication itself is not a proof that you are a employee of that organization. You need to validate the authorization as well by looking into your information, your attributes, and each and everything of your information. Then authorization will be granted. Then you can access the accounts in the sense applications. So then IAM, yes, you can log in it, you can perform it. That's what the IAM in a very technical, detailed manner. Any questions up to here? No questions?
So far, it's understandable. Yeah. Thanks.
Sir, any question? You asked some question?
Yeah. Give me 30 seconds.
Hi, this is Pawan. Yeah, basing on your confirmation, authentication is nothing but giving access to the application, right? Hello.
Can you come again one more time?
Yeah, authentication is nothing but giving access to the application, right?
No.
So getting access to the application is nothing but authentication, right? And authorization is nothing but giving read access or any conditional, like performance access to the application, nothing but authorization, right?
No. Authentication, you should have some validity. Okay. Username and password. Okay. Your username and password is what the authentication is.
Yes, getting access to the application, nothing but authentication, right? So am I getting the user ID and password means, so I'm able to access, log into the application.
What I'm telling is, that can be access. What I'm telling is at the higher level, first you need to validate yourself. Validating yourself is called as a authentication, actually, not getting the access of the application. I can agree with at later part. Of course, you are getting the access of the application. See, let us say you created the Gmail account. Okay, I agree that you have a access of the Gmail access. I agree that one. Okay, but at the top level, authentication is not that you are accessing the application. Okay, at the top level. At the top level, it is validation. You need to validate. For example, let's say you entered a wrong password, right? So that's where validation need to happen. So that's what the authentication is. Yes, of course. Once you have a credentials, yes, you have a access to the application. That's right.
Yeah, as part of the authorization, I think, but whatever the performance like read access, write access, update access, admin access, so that comes under the authorization, right?
No, again, it is see. What is your name?
Pawan.
Paul. Yeah, Paul. What I'm telling is that is again a secondary. That's right. Once you authenticated, what is the access levels you have? You might have a read, admin access, or write access. Okay. But after authenticating, let's say Paul, he is a Paul person. His name, first name is Paul. His job title is so and so. And then it validates something. What accesses it has at application level. It may be a read write access. So who is validating at what is the validation point is authorization. Yes, I agree. I agree that it's a secondary one. So someone is uh, putting a stamp on the paper. Paul is, yes, he is the Paul. Let us authenticate this application. He is having the application access. That is called as authentication. And then what is the accesses he can have? Who is putting a stamp on the paper? That is a authorization. Once it is there, yes, you can have the read access, whatever they have. That's right. Yeah.
So welcome to the account management. So what are the accounts that resides on the respective application? For example, ABC is an account and XYZ is an account. So account management, nothing but if we are performing any modifications or any adjustments on the respective account levels, that comes under the account management, right?
No.
In an application.
No. Yeah, that is also called as a account. That is also called as a account. But here account in the sense application at SailPoint level. To which account you have a access? We ask a question. To which account you have a access? In the sense, to which application you have a access?
Okay. In SailPoint terminology, we'll call it as an account. Application comes under.
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. At application level also, each person can be or access level or a provisioning level also, you can say is a account at a, it's a general we take, but not at technicality SailPoint level. We ask a question, or IAM level, not only SailPoint level. At IAM level, we ask a question to person, what is the, to which account you have access?
Got it.
And even at organization level also, an employee can ask a question to employee, to which account he belongs to. It means
Got
at
it.
product level. Okay.
To which application you are having access.
Yes, exactly.
Got it.
So if there are multiple applications, so in SailPoint you have multiple accounts.
Yes, exactly. You might be the you have the access to the multiple accounts.
Yeah. Each account for different application.
Yes. Any other questions, please? If you do not have questions, I'm moving to next part. Why IAM is not enough?
Is not enough.
Yeah, I assume nobody having questions, so we are moving to the next. Why IAM is not enough? So why IAM is not enough? If you hear question, so far we are considering identity access management. Then what is other than IAM means? There is a subset. Okay, there is a subset of IAM. IAM is a bigger part, and the subset, there is one more subset is IGA. It is called as a IGA. I will write here. The subset of IAM is Identity Governance and Administration. So when you ask a question why IAM is not enough, then it comes subset of IAM is Identity Governance Administration. That's where the I said visibility. There is a less visibility. We discussed why identity problem. So to get more visibility into organization, there will be a, in every organization, there is a auditing team sitting on the top of the organization. They will audit employees accesses, and how many employees are there. In a simple terminology, auditing, you can call it as auditing. Auditing is achieved with the help of Identity Governance Administration, also called as a compliance. Compliance in the sense, it's a technical word, and it's a technical jargon, no need to confuse. It's just something. Let us put in a very simple way. Let's say if you want to get, let us imagine some government job. If you want to get some government job, you need some cutoff marks. So if you get some cutoff marks, then you will get a proof that you are a government employee. Then you are qualified for the qualification. In a similar way, qualification can be debunked as a compliance. You are a compliant to the organization or not. Of course, I am not telling very technicality of compliance here, but in a very layman way, I'm telling you, qualified, debunk qualification as a compliance.
Are you eligible to have this?
Yes, eligible to have this. Now there is, in a deeper sense, at organization level, that eligibilities, company will decide eligibilities. Policies, those are called as a company policies. Again, company policies can be implemented by government also. If your organization in so and so places, geographical places, you should abide to the those government policies as well. So those policies also involves in your organization. Those all eligibilities will decide by the organization. Those are called as a policies. Those policies should have eligibility. Then that technical word is called as a compliance. You are compliant to the organization or not, and organization is compliant to the government or not. That's how we speak technically. So this is called as a identity governance. You are doing some governance at the identity level. That's why we need to speak identity governance administration. And then access privileges. If you need access privileges, there may be a. I don't want to even go to even technically to confuse you. There will be a break glass accesses will be there in organization for a temporary access or a just-in-time accesses. Those are all can be assumed as the access privileges for so and so applications. And then we already discussed this visibility part, ownership visibility. As you are a owner, you should have always always you need to think about commanding on your employees who is having accesses, what is they are doing, because everything involved financial transaction. That's why. So that's why when IAM is not enough, there comes to the identity governance administration. So there will be a confusing question. The question will come like this even in an interview. What is the difference between IAM and IGM? Don't take, both are different. IAM is a bigger part, IGM is the subset of that one. And then
So who is doing the IGM? Not SailPoint admin, not SailPoint.
no. We are only. It is having SailPoint is we are only the IGA itself.
So we do the governance and auditing everything.
Yes. Now, auditing you cannot do it.
Only.
Auditing. Okay. Let me clarify that one. So there will be a auditing team. That auditing needs governance. Okay.
Okay.
That auditing team needs a governance.
We do the governance. Okay.
Okay. So to do the governance, SailPoint engineers will give the reports to them.
Okay.
So we need to provide the reports. By looking into the reports, auditing team will validate and everything they look into that.
So we can say we are achieving the governance by sending the reports to the
exactly.
Okay, auditing
To the
team.
auditing team.
Okay.
And not only the reports, reports is the secondary one. There will be a certification. So there is a concept called certifications in SailPoint.
And reports. Okay.
Yeah. So that these are all things we only need to do it. Okay.
Okay.
So that's what here again I have word here technically who has access, why they have it, who approved it, when it ends. That's how auditing team will do it, governance team will do it. So to have all these four, you need to generate the certifications or reports.
Yeah. Certification re-giving, continuing then the access or denying the access, right?
Yes.
And
yes.
reports is just up-to-date information.
Yes, up to date the information. So that's where you can decide this many people have accesses, and you can also conclude why they have it, and you can at that instantaneously you can click on approve or revoke also. If you feel they don't need it, you can revoke also.
We can deny. Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
In the certification process.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's how we spoke very technically and in a layman way. Why do you need identity access management and governance? Why organization required SailPoint engineers? It's very important. And then here comes our product actually. So our SailPoint IdentityIQ fits at total IAM cycle, not only the IGA cycle, it fits in overall IAM cycle. So far, whatever discussed, the simple question, you can ask a question, how can we achieve those things with the help of SailPoint IdentityIQ? And then I don't want to define now SailPoint IdentityIQ because there is nothing to define about this one. You understood, right? What is SailPoint IdentityIQ now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what are the topics we are going to cover in our throughout these sessions? We'll see this one. This is a table of contents. What we are going to deliver. We have 10 modules. So we differentiated 10 modules here. Out of 10 modules, first module will be the Identity Governance Foundations. Everything will be delivered with the help of IQ only. And then SailPoint IdentityIQ. Module 2 is SailPoint IdentityIQ platform overview. It is going to deliver. And then identity model and data flow inside the IdentityIQ. Applications and connectors. Access model. Provisioning and lifecycle manager. Certifications. Policies and risks. Workflow and customization. Reporting, audits, and operations. These are the very crucial 10 modules. Each module will be go very deeply at a practical scenario, not like theoretical manner. Everything will be in a practical scenario at a organization level, project level only, not like a simple institute kind of delivery. Here, in this, if you see here, you need to understand inside IdentityIQ how identity model and data flow will occur, and then application and connectors you should know. And then once you have that one, access model, provisioning lifecycle manager, certifications. These are all the definition so far we have seen. All those can be achieved with these modules. I will share this table of contents and our point of contact will share this to your respective repositories. You can glance this one. So let me know any questions on this table of contents.
So this is just identity management, right? But not access management. So, but when we say SailPoint IAM, but these contents are whatever the course content is only identity management, correct? Or
no, it is access management. You have an access model also.
okay. Entitlements, okay. Roles, okay. Got it.
Yeah, but we deliver it when we discuss. Okay.
Yeah. I have a couple of questions once you finish the demo, not while in the
demo is done. No, with the discussion of table of contents. Yeah, you are welcome. You are welcome to questions. Yeah.
Oh, I mean, demo is done.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, before I ask, I have a couple of questions, so it takes time. Maybe any other person before to me. Any other person before to me, I will just wait for.
Yeah, sure. Welcome each and everybody. IGMB. Any questions?
Yes, can you hear me? Hi. Hello? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Tell me.
Yes, I would like to know if there's any application like Active Directory.
Wait a second. Wait a second, please. I'm really sorry, your voice is so much noisy. Can you speak a little bit smoothly? I hope your speaker is adding some noise.
Yes, I was asking if there is any application in Active Directory that we gonna onboard on SailPoint.
Yeah,
Active
that's
Directory. Yeah.
that's what I see. We have here. Okay, let me show you. You can see
Okay,
here, right?
and
Applications and connectors. Here we can have application onboarding. Okay. We have application
okay,
onboarding compulsory for sure. Active Directory, JDBC, AD, Active Directory here.
okay.
Yep. There will be a for sure. Without application onboarding, we cannot move forward. Yeah. iPhone. What is your name, please?
Yeah, it's me who was talking that I have couple of.
Oh,
So I
okay,
will go at the
okay,
end. I will
okay,
go
okay,
at the end. Yeah.
okay. Paul, next. Paul, do you have any questions?
Yes. How do we practice it? I mean, are you providing some kind of
Yeah, it's a on-premise one. We need to do installation.
uh-huh.
We'll discuss with the POC and we'll give the details about that. So so far we haven't decided how to give access.
uh,
Okay, okay.
How many days
But
it will take? Like, I don't know. I mean,
no, it will take instantaneously. Maybe today itself we will get the information.
okay.
Yeah. Next, Pavan Kumar.
Questions. For this, what is the computer knowledge should have? It can be like should have a developer like any or should do I have to write any coding like Java or PHP something or not just any without coding? Do you need any
Mm.
programming skills for this or not just like any technical knowledge?
Okay, thank you for asking that question. Actually, I need to tell that one prerequisite. So
Uh-huh.
for this prerequisite is no need deeper coding understanding. I can say even after learning these sessions, you have two paths. One is operations path and one is development path. Yes, that is right. If you are choosing development path, you need uh, you need to have little bit understanding on the Java syntax. Only little bit. Not you are a good programmer in Java. You should have a understanding on Java syntax because we are going to discuss the rules. And I need to admit this one. You should have a minimum knowledge, understanding the syntax of Java or a BN shell. Frankly speaking, it is a BN shell script that's supported by the IAQ. BN shell script is nothing but it's a Java syntax only, nothing more. That is if you are going to the development path, it is one of the uh, topic we are going to touch it. Not the completely you need first compulsory you need a coding and then only you can learn it. No, not like that. If you have a 0% knowledge on coding, yes, you are eligible to learn the SailPoint IAQ. Okay.
Mhm.
No need of any programming background, but it is one of the topic inside a SailPoint where we discuss little bit about programming. There you need at least minimum of Java syntax, knowledge on Java syntax. It means
Thank
one
you.
of the part means no
Mhm.
need to worry. It is a one of the part, not complete part. Okay.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. And if you go operation side, then no need to worry. This
Yeah,
one of the part again come only if you are in development side, SailPoint developer and SailPoint operations.
thank you.
Yep. Yes, you are the next now.
Yeah. So like once we finish the course and we practice, you have all the documents or just recording whatever the like. I have some idea because my friend was working like I onboarding application of CSV files. AD and all. I have an idea, but I didn't do practice much. So I see your course content. I understood the course content. Once we practice all these things, how many experience we can put? Years of experience.
That is an individual capability. Okay.
Got you. Now,
Okay.
if we practiced the content, whatever you said.
See, no, content is general. Okay, let me tell you, content is general, right? Even SailPoint University also provide the same content. Okay, content is general, but we are discussing taking project wise, onboarding, Active Directory, those things, right? Real time only. I can say the term real time. Once you are doing real time in the sense. It depends on individual capability. Uh, Someone may get confidence. I can put 3 years. I can say don't put less than 3 years. Minimum is 3 years. On
Okay.
this, once you take this training from my end, I'm telling frankly,
Mhm.
you can go ahead freely put 3 years of experience. Okay,
Okay.
minimum of 3 years, and the top of that one your capability there. Okay.
Okay. I have some 10 years, but so I'll put 7 years into others and then 3 years into this, something like that.
Yes,
Still,
something
the
like
still profiles are considered. Oh, you have 10 years experience, 3 years into this, and 7 years into something else.
yeah, you are pretty much considered. You are the top then because you have very much exposure towards IT industry.
Mm. Or only freshers who are with
No.
or,
Freshers has
or
least qualification for this. Freshers have least qualification.
okay.
From my training, I can say confidently you can put compulsory 3 years, not
Minimum.
less than that one. Yeah.
How much package we can expect with that 3 years? Just 3 years at a high level. I know it also depends many things.
Package. mm, Just only 3 years. If I'm not considering 10 years,
Mm.
I'm assuming if you are having a 3 years of experience, SailPoint is if you are a SailPoint engineer,
Mm.
a minimum of 12 LPA in India is
Okay.
given to a SailPoint engineer.
Okay. So in my case, if I have 10 years, 7 years into something,
It's your current salary again.
okay, depends on my current salary.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So you are just doing this for 6 years, right? I know it's more than enough, of course.
Yes.
Uh, but you are into DevOps and you move to SailPoint. It's like DevOps is better, best, and demanding also. Now everything is DevOps, but still you move to this SailPoint or so that we get an idea.
Okay. Let me tell you. So what is the word is reframed actually in the industry, DevOps.
Mhm.
The word we are pronouncing nowadays is DevSecOps. Have you heard? I am assuming you all
DevOps.
heard that one, right?
Some
DevSecOps. In
correct.
between DevOps, they inserted security also.
Oh, security.
Okay.
Mhm.
DevSecOps. Now engineers are not just they don't consider only DevOps. They considering people only DevSecOps.
Mhm.
Security tool also inserted there.
So that's how you.
That's how I got a chance to enhance my skill.
Okay, then for us, if it is just a SailPoint developer or admin or whatsoever, is enough.
Yes.
Is
Yes.
enough. We don't need
It's
to.
yes. No need that one. You are a cybersecurity engineer. Okay.
Okay. Got you.
Not DevOps engineer. But how I got a chance means to
Because.
move this side because in between you can Google it. DevSecOps is a very trending one.
Okay.
Not purely he cannot be purely a cybersecurity engineer, but he knows the little bit security knowledge.
Yeah, but you are doing the pure also.
Pure cybersecurity because I got a chance to learn those tools.
Uh-huh. And your plan is to continue here than DevOps because it's heavy. It will be hectic in DevOps, right? Than SailPoint.
Mm, Now not hectic. DevOps is not hectic. Dead easy because of this LLMs.
Oh, okay.
So LLMs will do on a fingertips everything.
Okay. So you're continuing in cybersecurity SailPoint only full time now, not the DevOps.
Yes, for coming future also, I will continue in cyber security itself.
Okay.
And and there is a market future for the IAM especially. IAM having the future, though AI bubble is going to come.
Okay.
Because there should be a even more demand for IAM engineer. If AI bubble is very peak,
More vulnerable, right?
more vulnerable, not with respect to the human beings, with
Yeah.
respect to the AI agents.
Chatbots.
So then in place of employees, there are AI agents. AI agents are nothing but identities. There is a huge demand for the identity access management engineers.
Got you.
There is a very bright future in IAM space, even though AI.
Okay. So you have two options, but still you will go with the IAM.
Yes.
Okay. I'm not asking question, but so that based on your answer, we will know. Okay, there is he himself
Yes.
considering
That's
DevOps
right.
in.
That's right. Because I am telling very frankly, I said very frankly that even there is a AI bubble, I am having more jobs there. It means you have a better future.
Okay. Got it. Yeah, I mean, you are considering also if you have two paths for DevOps as well as this one, you will consider this. Meaning
Yes.
we can understand. Right?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Because now DevOps is dead easy. As you said, it is a very currently, if you open any job portal, many openings will be on DevOps only.
Okay.
Okay, but
But you need.
AI bubble is smashes everything.
Okay.
Because everything, see, DevOps at the end, DevOps, you are a good DevOps engineer when you should be considered. You are very good in infrastructure as a code.
Correct. Service, infrastructure as a service. Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It is just a part, but your expertise or expert decide that tool actually.
Okay.
And remaining thing is very simple tools. You can handle it.
Mhm.
Automation. Let's say let's put like this. Automation is a very crucial part there.
Yeah. So cybersecurity is everybody is moving to cloud, right? So this SailPoint is also there in cloud.
Yes, cybersecurity has two tools, two products, two major IAM products. This is a on-premise product. We are discussing on-premise product. Okay. There is a cloud tool also. There is Identity Security Cloud.
Okay.
That is the old name of that one is Identity Now.
Oh, Identity Now is the cloud one. Okay.
Yes, Identity Now is the cloud one.
IIQ is the standard
On-premise, yeah.
But then you are already working real time, right? So there it is just Identity IQ or Identity Now.
I am currently working with the cloud one, Identity Now.
Oh, okay. So now once we finish the course and we put 3 years, the interviewers they may ask, do you know the cloud or something, or how it is?
Yes. They can ask. You can tell it. I do not have exposure towards Identity Now, but that is not a big deal once you learn IAQ, right?
Okay.
That's pretty similar, but user interfaces, those things are different. But everything, table of contact is similar for that also.
Okay. So we need to learn that in the future, or
but not in future. You will get a chance once you are once you are in a SailPoint, you will get a chance to learn that one also. Because organization can see any organization can have a one thing is I need a command on my hardware. Whether you move to the cloud or on-premise.
Yeah, at the end it's
okay.
Same thing.
IAQ is more customized. It is more friendly to the organization. IAQ.
Okay, so mostly they are preferring on-premise. You are saying.
Yes, mostly they prefer the on-premise, but SailPoint will force to move to the cloud.
Okay.
That is how happening. That's why whoever using the IAQ also they are moving to the identity now. They are forcing, but the organization won't listen because they need command on IAQ. That's the reason you will find more employees, IAQ employees in the market. You don't find that much employees for identity now.
Okay. Got it.
But the opportunities are equal. Equal opportunities are there. Only for SailPoint name. Forget about IAQ or identity now. SailPoint, if you are in your resume, SailPoint is there means you will have an opportunity, better future for that. Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay then. You will get the details from the POC regarding yeah.
One more question.
Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes, actually, I'm coming from a DevOps background also. So I was working as a DevOps engineer for the last 3 years, and I lost my job. Since then, it was difficult to get a job in DevOps, very difficult. And the market is so bad, very bad, with the AI, stuff like that. Very difficult to find a job in.
Okay. So no, then you are at good place. SailPoint will get you
Yeah,
job.
so
Yeah, it will get you.
exactly. So that is why I have choose to transit to SailPoint. But when I was working as a DevOps, I worked with a first rock as a IAM. So I was wondering if SailPoint is easy, you know, for me to be transition and get a job.
Yep. It's easy to you. Yeah, it's very easy. You can play around. Nothing difficulty, and also there is a job guarantee as well. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So I have one question. So this SAP,
Sandesh.
I'm considering two courses. I'm very open to you, SAP Security or SailPoint. But both are cyber sec. I mean, both are kind of security. But is SailPoint is better than SAP Security, right? Because it's not just SAP. Or I mean, irrespective of is SAP Security what it is doing in SAP is the same thing SailPoint, like similar product.
No.
Okay.
SAP security is the how can I say? It's I don't consider it is better than SailPoint. SAP security is itself the name itself forgetting, right? You are dealing only with the
SAP.
SAP application and their authorizations and application level accesses. What is the data level? It's yes, that is true. It is a cyber security only, but at SAP level.
SAP level. Okay, got it. But both are quite similar in terms
Not
of
similar. I don't say it both are similar because of course SAP security is also having the data control and application security, but not the same.
okay, got it. Yeah.
Not at all similar. Yeah.
Okay. So I just want to talk to you separately because I have more experience and wanted to change the career, right? So I don't know how.
Yeah. SailPoint is the best choice. So don't go with SAP security. SAP security means you are fixing one point. That's it.
Yeah.
You are not generalizing the opportunity.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Thanks.
I can say one thing. If you are more into the SAP already, SAP already,
No.
you know already SAP market on the statistics of the SAP market, then you can decide that one.
No.
Otherwise, it's a bad idea.
I am not into, but I'm just
Yeah.
considering because that is easy.
Yeah, that is easy because it's a very single point.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah. POC will share the table of contents and how the software is you are going to access. Either you are going to get the software or or server access. He will tell you. Okay. Yeah, we'll meet for a second session tomorrow. Till then, bye.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks.